Hi, myself Avinash. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to start this channel because I just wanted to create some of technical videos, and I just wanted to post on Android development. This is my first video. Myself coming to myself. I work at Facebook Meta. I worked on the device worked on a module called portal devices where where people can call through these devices. They can do WhatsApp calling. They can see their photos, Instagram photos, Facebook photos. It's kind of Fire Stick TV, kind of Android OS application. So I used to take care of photos and photos modules and mostly yeah, photos and photo booth. Yeah, similar like the photo booth that you are seeing here. Yeah, I used to take care of that photo booth. So yeah, let's start, and in a while like we can discuss more. I just wanted to start. This is my first video. If you feel any difficulty, you can ask me at any time through the comments. I'm completely new to posting videos on YouTube. uh, yeah, let's get started. So Android Studio, yes, Android Studio. So what so Android Studio, so once you type Android Studio, initially like we'll go with the step by step, like from downloading the IDE to the language, what the things like we need to do. So over here, like I just download Android application, sorry, Android Studio, confirm it. Apple chip. So if you have an Intel chip, like you can download this. So I have this, so I will take that. So yeah, it's downloading. So yeah, initially tools, like what exactly the tools we are going to use for building an Android application. So we need a language called Kotlin. So initially we used to develop Android applications through Java and XML. Now we don't need to figure it like worry about all this Java, XML, like learning lot of things from the scratch. Now completely you can start, like for example, if you are learning Android Studio on 2024, you can blindly trust on Kotlin, and you can start your journey with the Kotlin. Why? Because like back in 2015, 2000, yeah, 2014 at the time, like we or else 2006 at the time, we like people used to develop Android applications through, like we at the time, like we also don't have this Android Studio as well, I guess. They used to develop on this Eclipse, yeah, Eclipse, and they use Java and XML. Later on, like and for emulators they used GenMotion at that time, I guess. So later on, like slowly they migrated to advanced concepts like Kotlin. So even Kotlin also, I guess, it came on 2012, I guess. So yep, I think it has downloaded. Now just move to the applications and let's see. In this video, we will only I will explain only the interface and everything. In the next video, we will start one by one. So I just got downloaded and installed the application. Now just we'll just open Android Studio. Yeah, now it's done. Yep. Yeah. So so basically this is an Android Studio. This is an Android Studio, and one second, let me close my video. Yeah. So this is an Android Studio. So here you can see all the projects you worked on, customized, like many people interested in dark mode for For tutorials, I guess like light theme could be better, so you can see easily. uh, Plugins, like later we'll install any useful plugins. Okay, let's get started with the initial project. So to create an Android application, first you need to go through the new project. Here the open, like where you can open your existing projects. Like if you already have a Git, you might know, like you can clone some of the projects from the GitHub. Let's go with the Jetpack Compose, and the next we'll take. So this is a new project window, so where you can directly go with the boilerplate code. So this is a navigation drawer activity, and this is an empty activity. This is the bottom navigation view activity, and this is a response view activity. So these are some of the activities that we will be getting. um, Firstly, so we'll go with the empty activity. Next, my first app. So here we need to take the name, app name. Here we need to go with the package name, and this is the project location, and this is the minimum SDK. So here, what exactly the minimum SDK? So basically, like if you take API level 30, uh, like 67% of devices can work this application. So like you can choose any other application. So Oreo, so 93.9% of devices can work your application. So we'll go with Kotlin. Finish. We'll go through the IDE. So the project is building. So until that, like yeah, I think it's done. Oh, there's one more thing. Yeah, it's done. So yeah, this is the project file structure. Like here, this is the resource manager. Here you can see in the left side panel, and here are more useful stuff, like you can add on those fields. And here if you go, like here you can see app, Gradle scripts. So here we got Kotlin files main activity, and here we have, like basically, like you will only think about this main activity initially, and build.gradle. Okay, so next, this is the build, and this is the app quality insight. Like here you can see the logcats of the devices, and most useful stuff here. Terminal also sometimes we'll be using. Mm, yeah. Okay, so here we have your current account. So basically you can activate Gemini, like if you want to use AI here, and this all the panel. And so here this notification thing, and here you have a Gradle, and here you have a device manager. Yeah, device manager is nothing but an emulator where you test your applications. So initially we will create an emulator. So we don't have currently an emulator. To create an emulator, you just need to tap on this plus button. Okay, 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 I think I have a pixel emulator. Okay, so to create an emulator, you need to click the plus icon. So now you need to click create virtual device. Here you can choose device, desired device. So yep, not fold, like we just need Pixel 8 Pro. Okay, next, and we'll choose that. Next, finish. To create an virtual device, you need to do these steps, and to run an emulator, like you can choose, you can tap directly. Yeah, here we got an emulator. Now we'll test our first application. Okay, so hello world. So we'll go through everything uh, step by step, so that we'll get to know everything. Yes, hello world. So app has run. So yeah, that's it for the video.